Want help quitting porn? Then do this. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. If you want to leave a pornography and masturbation habit behind so that you can reach your full potential by making your brain healthier and stronger and having that create a ripple effect of positive change in your life, in your work, in your creativity, in your relationships, and in your hobbies and how much you enjoy being alive and having vitality in your life. If that is what you're looking for, then please go over to my website at drtrishleigh.com. There's a variety of online courses that you can take that are affordable, anonymous, and accessible, just like porn, to get you moving in the right direction. Plus, there are brain training programs privately and individually with me. So please go check it out because I want to help you to be able to reach your full potential and leave it behind. And remember, control your brain or it'll control you.